Well, Isabel, I think we've all felt like this little guy, haven't we, at some point during this? Confused as all these, well, I have anyway, felt like this, all these terms flying around. And they are deeply political, very important terms, but they're not the kind of thing you and I are talking about most days. And it's important to break them down because otherwise we're effectively on the outside of this debate. So let's just go through a couple of the key ones, if I might, starting at the very beginning. And that is what the UK is currently arguing about, the Withdrawal Agreement. This was the agreement signed up to by Theresa May and 27 EU countries. The idea was it would set the stage for the UK to negotiate its future relationship. It looks at the exit terms and then would move on to the next step. However, the UK is now stuck here. They don't like what Theresa May has come back with, and now we're seeing them putting forward amendments, that is, changes they want to see to this withdrawal agreement before we get anywhere near a future permanent deal. Confusing already, isn't it? But stay with me. Now, crucial to why the withdrawal agreement has had so many people have been talking about it is this, the backstop. This was designed as the ultimate insurance policy to protect the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland from having a hard border. Why does that matter? Well, central to the peace process on the island of Ireland was that there would be no hard border. That is, no checkpoints, no goods checks, no formal fences, etc. Both are currently EU members. After Brexit, we suddenly have a UK here and the EU here. The idea of the backstop is that Northern Ireland would effectively stay within the EU customs union and also follow some of the rules of the single market to smooth over the need for formal border checks. That's controversial, say Brexiteers, because it effectively, in their view, would trap the UK to EU rules. But when we say single market customs union, what are we talking about? Well, the EU is both a customs union and a single market. That is to say, member states have agreed to charge the same for goods coming into the union and then not to charge each other, not to tax each other on goods moving between. But also, there's the single market, which goes further. It covers not just goods, it covers people, it covers wealth, capital, and it covers services. Now, of course, crucial in the Brexit discussion was the UK leaving the single market, ending the free movement of people. But even Brexit proponents saying even staying in the customs union would mean the UK will be still too closely aligned to the EU. So these two, very controversial. We will be putting up on euronews.com a jargon-busting article that allows you to decode Brexit in just a few minutes. So do check that out as well.